Hello. Okay. I will start with a place where I had stopped last time. I think I was working on uploading files to a machine, a given machine, and uploading files for a machine during machine creation time. And I had written code, but I didn't test it. So I will start working on it. Yeah, start the service. Send a UUID to identify the file upload operation. File upload location. This will come from file.upload.add uh, value. mm, Uh, file.upload.add is private string. And what is the name of the variable? File upload location. File upload location is here. That is here. And one today is marked to that it is saying that I have to send a unique identifier to identify the file upload operation. Then UUID to identify the file operation. API version machines upload the file. Send a UUID to identify the file upload operation. I will not be using this API. This will be to upload when I'm uploading a file for already existing machine. So that will be taken care of later. Right now, I'm just focusing on trying to create a multi-upload file or creating a machine. So this is documents controller. API machines. This should be uh, documents, not file machines. Upload here. Okay. So it is saying that this is for the scenario where I thought that I will first upload a file and use its unique ID to map it to of a machine, but I'm not doing that right now. So skip that. Machine.java, and I had think I had added fields here for machine files. SQL restrictions deleted not true. One map the machine here in the machine files. I have machines variable, file name, file extension, file path, machine. Here many to one. column is going to be, I think, machine underscore ID, deleted, default false, current timestamp. This will come from database during insert. This will come from database during insert and update. Created by, updated by, save. So basically, I have to test this function. So I will go to machine controller first and close it. Machine daily log.html. Invalid ID reference. ID will be created by this. So this is not invalid. Header, remove, create new machine. Coming over here. Now it has files upload. It allows multiple uploads. So when I submit it, this will go to machine controller. Where is the machine controller? Here, create machines. This will come as the files and post mapping. This is my attempt to see if it works or not. Model attribute. This will be passed as my model attribute to next stored in the model. Create form validator. Validate. Where is this? Validate has errors. All errors. Binding result all get. Print करता हूँ. So currently I'm printing the errors. I'm not showing that in the uh, in the front end in the form. And in the case of errors, I'm just going to redirect to create new machine, or just return create new machine in case of error. In the create new machine template, uh, new machine form is the object, right? So if I come here, this is not a new machine form. So I will name it as new machine form. Or I will check that where this is given. I will just say machine form and do the same here. Machine form. And this will be passed as a model attribute to creating machine, and it should work. And I have to come to create new machine.html and th object where name is removed. Machine form. And restart the machine, restart the service. Okay, it has started. So it has started, and go to the site, reload it. So I have one machine. Go to create page. I have a create page. Create a machine. We'll name it machine 4. Uh, Make it idle. And let's say name JCB. Let me look for name of cranes. Tower crane. Okay. Machine type crane, serial number something. Make it some value. Forward purchase date, make it some old date. Cost, vendor, idle. Let me switch off my, okay, screen share and choose files. I do not want to show that what is getting shown on my screen. And thank you everyone for visiting. Thank you for coming here. So I will upload some files, pictures maybe. I'm looking for some pictures, a screenshot, something like that. Mhm. Let us use. Hmm, let us use few pictures here. So I have selected three files from my system, and let us see that how it behaves with file upload. Let's submit. Now I have an error. Files must not be recovered. Files must not be recovered. Okay, let me go back and let me open network. Open my developer tools. Look in the network. How to get rid of this currently recorded network activity? Why is this taking so much space? Okay, go to elements. Come back to network. Create machines. What was the payload? Are you coding? Yes, I'm coding. Anand Dhru. So it is saying the error is that this, but why it is not debugging? Because it is not reaching here. The files is null, that is coming from the front end. Create machine dot files must not be empty. So there is machine files inside create machine. Create machine. Okay, so this is talking about this variable. This must not be empty and must not be null. Like I have specified that it cannot be empty or null. And it should not be empty because I'm passing three files. And in the network developer tools in the network tab, we have seen that payload is passing the file names here. Let us see if it works for one file. Files must not be null. Okay, it is not working. So what's the issue with because I have already done all this stuff, so it should not be happening still. Input type files, I can select multiple and I'm getting an error. Files. Let's see. Uh, Upload multiple files in Spring Boot using Thyme. I have done upload with Postman. This must be very after a very long time. I'm doing this with thymeleaf. Now let us check. Cannot generate the content right now. Uh, Use HTML form configured with ENC type multi-part form done and put multiple. So, ठीक है, here's the complete setup guide. This is the requirement. This is also done and create HTML file and upload.html, place it in the templates. Okay. Somewhere content formed action encoding type multi-part form dash data. Okay. Encoding type. Okay. Class.form. Just saying enc type multi-part form data. If this that was an issue, then I'll just I will just reload the template. Um, Code has been reloaded. Come back here. Create. Must not be empty. Must not be null. So it is still not working. Go back. Okay, form is not loaded. Maybe. So I will reload this page and provide some new information. Uh, Select new files. And okay. Now I have the files uploaded. Skip. No error. Going to the function inside save. Let's see how it proceeds. Because I'm using transactional with object hierarchy to so that saves my files created by machine status machine files. I'm building all the files. Save file to system. That means it is downloading in my local disk. Stream path to file machine files. Okay, this file is not machine files. Limited collection set files. Save machine. Insert into machines. Insert into lifecycle tracker. Okay. So issue is with this is my downloads machine tracker. So issue is with the file where I have provided it users. So let me say check that how to properly provide a file path. Provide a file path correctly in an application properties file. Okay, okay. I can escape the all the backslashes or use the front slash. So this should solve the problem, but I will have to start my service again. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. So my site is loaded and it is working. So I will have going to create a new machine, machine 5, machine 100, let's say, and it is going to be under repair. I will choose three files for uploading and open it. Three files. You can see that three files are here, and under repair, let us when I click here on create, it is going to go to a save function, and it has come inside save function. So I'm creating a my machine instance or entity instance first here. Nothing special is going on. Then I'm looping over multi-part file and I'm saving it to my local file system. Again, I think some error happened. Okay, I was able to save the files in my system, and you can see that I am not persisting these machine files in the calling save function in its repository using its repository. I am trying to see that will files persist into a table if I attach it to a machine, which ideally it should, because machine has one-to-many relation with this machine files class, and machine files is mapping back to the machine instance, so it should work. So it should work. So let us see if it works or not. Machine service here. We are here, and on execution of this function, we will know that it is working or not. Okay. And one more thing we can change. I am going to change, but let's see. Okay, it didn't work. Some error happened. Okay, I'll have to fix that, but no issues there. I was just trying to see that it is working or it will work or not. SQL error or missing database. Machine files sequence. Machine files sequence. I am trying to use sequence in machine files entity here. That it should be a sequence that generates its ID. So that when it sequence generates its ID, I can do bulk insert in the sqlite machine file sequence. Let me see that how to fix it in sqlite. SQLite with while using hibernate. Mappings and the actual database schema displayed in 2000. Let us see. Maybe I will have to restart it again so that hibernate can create a sequence. Okay. let us keep it update and restart it. It will drop the tables and create it again. No such element next token. Now the issue is I cannot update. I will have to drop all the uh, table to fix this issue. Okay, machine file sequence is created by Hibernate, and from now it should the machine creation should work. So let us check. Come here, go back, reload, provide machine information, choose two files, three files, let's say, and what is happening here? Open, click create, go here, here, and I will stop. Let us create the file. I will stop here. So machine file. There are three machines which is downloaded in my local system. Let me check that. Oh yeah, it is here. Okay, so that download part is working, and let us click save. Insert into machine. Select next file from the machine file sequence. Inventory management database file is locked. But yeah, what is this? SQLite base. The database base file is locked. What? What is this issue now? Not properly closing database connection. Let's say in Hibernate. This can be an issue. Use transactional with propagation required and read only false. Okay, so this is a transaction issue. Okay, this is a new thing that I hit head on. Let us see how I can fix it. Why this is causing an issue? Transactional propagation required. So let us start again. Okay, come back here and reload. Autofill. So choose files to three files. open, and click in transit create. So I have downloaded my files in my local, and uh, in local. I think there is something logical wrong here with this. If it doesn't work, I'll try a different approach. Secret light is busy, so locked. It's still getting locked. So let us check. I'm going to delete this. No file setting here. I'm going to save the machine first. Right. Save the machines first, and new machine information. This is going to be saved machine. Saved machine, and saved machine dot set files is going to be machine files. Let us try again. Mhm. Those who are watching, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to upload multiple files to a machine or entity and trying to store it in a table. But that is failing because of my incorrect ORM relations right now. Reload, populate, make it offsite deployed, choose files, three, create, come over here. I'll go directly over here, right? So my machine is created, and I have new machines which is not yet in the database, and I'm setting those machines to those files, attaching those files to this newly created machine, and I'm running a transaction. So before I exit this function, database insert should go for creating the machine. Okay, still database is locked. So I'm stuck with this issue here is the database function file sequence. The database sequence is locked. Okay, I will fix that later. Um, I'll find a way to fix it. First, I'm trying to understand the problem there. So let us go to lifecycle tracker, lifecycle, not service, to the entity. Deleted, not true. This is the table name, table there. Remove this. We are going to have a machine here, proper uh, hibernate style, machine ID, which is going to be many to one. Go to machine. Here, private list life cycle tracker, uh, life cycles, one to many, map by machine, cascade all. I can individually save those machines, then set the machine, then it will go, then it will send an update request after that. Thing is, I think something is not working because of lifecycle. I'm saving lifecycle tracker and it is creating an instance. Let us say cascade type all, lifecycle tracker and SQL restriction that Same, I'm going to say deleted not true, that this list should filter out all the deleted deleted life cycle tracker information. So coming over here, I will say here, saved machine created with ID saved machine dot get ID. This is a new instance, so I'm going to just say remove this and try save machine dot set life cycles, list of life cycle tracker. And right, and one more thing. Okay, so let us try this to see that if it is working or not, because now these are all part of same transaction. Earlier I was doing a separate save call, and where is the error? Machine ID. Right. Life cycle tracker, machine ID, save, get life cycle tracker. This is, I'm not going to call this. I'm just going to say, in the case of the update, uh, machine entity in db dot get life cycles. If life cycles is in null or is empty, then machine entity in db dot set life cycles list dot of life cycle tracker here. Otherwise, else machine entity db get cycles at life cycle tracker like this. So I'm using ORM to do my work, all the work for me. That I'm keeping propagation required. I am keeping using hibernate to keep track of the changes to this persistence entity, and this will do these updates for me. Updated at machine entity. If I go here, updated at is getting handled by updated at current timestamp event insert and update source db, and I will come to created at and remove the update part. So coming back over here, I won't have to set this updated at. This will be handled by database. Same I'm going to do here. Come to life cycle tracker. The timestamp is going to be uh, creation timestamp, and there is going to be only one event that is insert event type, uh, not creation timestamp. This is going to be current timestamp. Type dot insert event type insert source is db, because uh, because why it is doing and we are doing it, Because this is going to be just going to be inserted. This is never going to be updated. And delete option is only there to remove it from the system, but I don't think I'm going to use much of that. So I'm going to remove this from here. That will be handled by the database. Uh, Coming to delete, I will say default is going to be false. So I can remove this part also. That it is going to be default by handled by uh, database itself. Save all, save one, exist by. Uh, File upload location. What happened to this location? Okay, I'm not uploading it here. So right now I'm just trying to save a machine. Machine is saved. Uh, and the save machine gets set of machine files, get set of lifecycle tracker, and we return it. So let's set a breakpoint here, and one here, and another one here, another one here, and restart. Cancel. This is a create form. Insert the information list, choose files. I have chosen one file. May choose more than one file. I have now two files. Click on create. It goes to save controller function. Now my insert call is and there that my machine is created. Created at. I don't know why this select query was triggered. So I have no idea. So I'm not sure. I'll look it up. Um, you can see the date time now because my creation and update time is getting handled by the table database itself. I'm just going to set, skip, set, and before the function exists, there should be insert call to this two tables. Yeah, what is the issue? Machine file sequence, update machine file sequence set next equal to this. Okay, I'm now stuck here. Okay. For machine file sequence, update machine file sequence set next file is equal to this. Okay. And this it is trying to update. Database is locked. Um, There was one more thing that it said for propagation that read only false. Okay, let us check here. False. Let's see what is the solution for anyone who is having this issue. This is WSL2. No, my issue is not with WSL2. The database lies in my folder. Maybe it is trying to do multiple connection and how to ensure that pool size is one. How to set connection pool size to one in hibernate. Hibernate for SQLite. Hibernate for SQLite. Well, I think Hibernate trying to make more than one connection, then it is getting an error. It is trying to do bulk upload, maybe upload from multiple uh, connections. Uh, Connection pool size one. If it doesn't work, remove it. I think this is connection issue. Size one. Let's start and test it for size one. Uh, uh, mm, Create, go here, done. Mm. Why this is SQLite data source URL. Mm. Okay, let's see. SQLite D. Where is the path? Okay, this is my. So I'll just say mp.w. Let's store it in the D drive. I'm not sure where this was getting stored till now. So let's try that. started, all tables are created. Come back here, go back, refresh the page, populate the information, choose a file, click on create, clear logs, go next, 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 next. Okay, still SQLite is busy. Let's see, D empty. Okay, file is there. Hmm. File was created and it is getting accessed by multiple from the multiple location. Hmm. Connection pool size is 1. Just like you suggested. So this is creating a problem with Hibernate. Okay. Let us search on Google. Dude. This is bad, bro. Bad search engine. Go AI mode. Click. Set the Spring data source. Hikari maximum pool size 1. Okay, I had set pool size equal to 1 for connection pool size, but let us try this. This is also set to 1. Hibernate connection dot Hibernate dot connection dot pool underscore size equal to busy timeout 5000. Okay, let's also use that. Uh, use busy timeout. Busy timeout 5 second. By default, SQLite uses a restrictive rollback journal. Turning on wall mode allows multiple readers to access the database concurrently while writing. Okay, I think this is the issue that maybe it is trying to do multiple update or prepare multiple update for machines and lifecycle events, and that is causing a problem. So I'll add journal underscore mode is equal to and how to pass multiple parameter to maybe like this because this is a URL as journal underscore mode underscore mode wall right ahead log. Check for uncommitted transactions failing to close like this. Let's start. If this doesn't work, maybe we'll just move to real database. I was not trying to use a real database for this. SQLite is a database, a real database, but something like Postgres. Uh, if this doesn't work, then I will try that. Because for site like this or app like this, Postgres becomes a very big solution. So I do not want to use that. Create, clean the logs, move. My machine is saved, and so it is waiting for 5 seconds to throw SQLite logged connection. I think this is what is happening. So my app has hanged right now. Is hanging right now. Has hanged. Set life cycles. But practically there is no information. I have an error now. Let me see. With root cause. Okay, it was trying to create. Okay, this was the issue that was happening earlier. Earlier, there was no limit to creating connection full. So it was trying to create a new connection, and I was getting an error that SQLite is locked. And now I have restricted this connection. Then that you cannot create a new connection. Now it is getting an error. Yeah. How to fix this? So how to use the old connection? Wait for it to get free. Okay, we are at least there. Yeah. So it is trying to. So why it is trying to get a new connection? Why it is trying to get a new connection? Why it is trying to get a new connection? Use. Uh, it is not a good resource. Come back to Google. Here, I guess. Okay, let's try this. Leak detection. Thing is, transaction is still running, so it cannot close that connection. So if I come here and transactional read only true, let's start. What does this mean? Sources. What does read only mean? Download sources. What is Transaction is not read only. That's up and down. Okay. So this is my wrong. I'm doing it wrong here. Restart again. I think it is trying to create a new connection for inserting into a new table or different table. This is what I think is happening. Let's see. Saved machines. And where is this connection leak is happening? Hmm. Okay, here connection leak is happening. Now this was called from here. Save, logical internal. So it is calling to save that entity. How to fix this connection leak? Apparent connection leak detected. So how to fix it? If your repository returns a stream entity, the underlying database connection remains open until the stream is explicitly closed. Leaves the connection hanging open. Okay. Final by status. If you fetch an entity, exit the service method. Okay. Okay. Coming to machine service. Machine files. So stream keeps open even if it is leaves the connection hanging open. I'm not doing anything connection required here. Set life cycles, set files. Let me try something different. Delete this. Uh, Come here. Make it null, right? And mm, I can use the past machine create form uh, to get the values. Machine it is not there. So new machine information dot get user dated by party name get updated by new machine created with ID doesn't have any ID right now. Timestamp is getting taken care by the database. Machine remove it. Remarks. No machine can be there. Timestamp is not needed. ID will be known later on, so it cannot come here. Uh, Saved machine, new machine information. Or remove it. This is my life cycle track. It has some information, and it is saved machine. I'm not saving machine here. I will save it at the end here. And life cycle tracker, the set machine, saved machine, and I will get the files, get it here at the end, and say for machine files dot set for each machine file m files dot set set because machine file doesn't have any set operation table entity. Okay, at the rate get set why there is an issue here. But because this is an record thing is this is a record, so value once created cannot be modified. This is the issue here. Saved machine lifecycle tracker. So for that I will have to save it here, then make it available here. uh, id saved machine dot get id lifecycle get set machine saved id machine dot set files machine files. So machine saved machine set life cycles life cycle tracker. Life cycle tracker I set the map it to machine that is saved, then I saved the machine map the machine files to the saved machine, and each machine files uh, each machine file is then mapped to each machine files and then are then mapped to not here. I think I'll just use this, bring it down here. What does it do? What does the save function does? I think, where is the save function? If I go to save function, what it does is save function might have changed the entity instance completely. Must not be null. Must not be null. Transactional. What if I remove this? If I come here, machine information, machine, just name it machine. Machine is saved by ID and move it down somewhere. New machine created. Machine dot set life by machine set life cycle of tracker, and set machine, and the machine is already set over here. Save machine dot set files. Mm, Machine dot set files, and files are already mapped to machines. They are not. Let me see what position the machine goes. It is goes here. One, two, three, four, fifth position. One, two, three, four, five. It is here, and let's try to run it. There is only one call that looks like that is making a call to database, but multiple calls are getting done from the ORM side. So if this does not work, then I will individually create a machine, then the files, then map them together. Uh, okay, and let's start. Okay, machine is sorry, application is running. So go here and reload the form. Uh, Refresh the form again. New machines, idle, choose files. Let us choose two files. Create machine, create form. Do this. Apparent connection leak is detected. There is no other information anywhere. Proxy leak task. Create connection. Let us try a different approach then. Uh, Save. Come to application properties and try to, because it is not helping connection detection. uh, Property. Okay, so let us see. Machine create form created by updated by machine created at updated that is not needed right now. This time is time. machine files. Thing is, it is trying to create new connections to run do ORM job that it does for reading and writing. So that is the issue here, main issue here. As long as I was making a different call for everything, that there was no issue, but it is an issue now. So bring the save machine here. I'm going to save the machines like this. Uh, save machine, machine files, save machine, saved machine. I think ORM is trying to do these things. Let me check if I can make some do something separately. For that, I will have to import machine repository, machine service, document service. Sorry, private document service, document service. Save. Okay, there is nothing, no save function inside it, so I have to create one. Document entity is created, repository is created, document service is here. So I'm going to auto wire private document. So this is not a document. Sorry, this is machine file service, I guess. Machine file, machine files. Okay, machine file service. I'll have to create a machine file service for it. Machine file service. Rename machine file service. Okay, document service is enough. So I'll just say no, machine file service is different. There has to be a repository first, right? Machine files repository. The machine file. Machine files service. Files service. Service. And auto wire machine files repo. Machine files repository. I'll rename it first. Let's say shift F6. Refactor for put the class and change it. Machine files repository. Um, uh, I have to create a function machine files, save it. I'll just return machine files repository, machine files, say machine files. Mm. This is a service and I need it in the machine service here. Save here, save machine. So now I'm going to individually call machine file service, uh, save all. There is already a save all in the repository, so I can also use that. Um, what is this? This is going to return a list, so I can go back, just call save all machine files. Files are saved. Lifecycle tracker is here. Set lifestyle. Set lifecycle, set files. It is not necessary because that ORM is giving headache. Save lifecycle. Lifecycle tracker service dot save lifecycle tracker. So it should be working now because I'm not using any graph relations between entities to save it. Transactional is, but let us say propagation, not nested. Uh, Let us see transaction. Propagation required. I'll try to check sometime else, but I will have to make it for work first. So let us see that it is working in current setup or not. And I think I have been streaming for 1.5 hours, so I'm going to take a. I will be closing the stream in some time. Close tab to the right, let's say, and I will try to fix this issue tomorrow again, same time. Open, create, remove this, not needed. I think still they're trying to wait for some connection. I think they're trying to acquire some connection, but it is not working. Again going to throw some errors, but let's see. Mhm. If I remove the transaction, what will happen? Let's see. Then there is only one. There is a transaction call. Only one transaction calls. That is the save function that we are calling for each repository. Right. Clean it. Let's see. Save machine. Save all. Save. I think this transaction connection, the entity relation that I have created is causing the issue here. So let us say that I'm not saving the file, only I'm trying to save life cycle tracker. Let us say that it is a machine. It is also to save machine. Let us do that. But this machine is, so the restart. We'll have to do hit and trial to see if it works or not. Uh, life cycle tracker. ठीक है, saved, have insert into machine, select insert row id, save insert to life cycle tracker. Okay, so this worked with life cycle tracker, and main issue is caused by let us do this again. Let me wait here. uh, Create again, choose files. Anyway, I'm not saving the file, so okay. Okay, lifecycle tracker. ID is 2, machine ID is, where is machine ID is 2. The machine ID is working. Lifecycle tracker. Machine ID is 2 because this is the second machine. This worked, but this didn't work. And why is that? Saved machine. Give her the copy. Copying file is also not an issue because I'm still copying the file, and what I think is an issue is what? And file, um, save to file system, clean path to file, save machine, save all machines. um, Add a stream.files. So it is more have to do with this. Save all. And what about this transactional? If I wrap into transactional, will this work? Hmm. Let us run a test again. Restart. Somehow, if I'm able to figure out why this is the machine file is causing an issue, I think I should be able to make the ORM part working. Create a new solo transfer. Let us take one file. Create. Okay, then it is stuck again. Save all. I'm waiting for it to throw an exception. Save all machine files. Choose files. Open. Okay, this is causing an issue. If I come here, it is going inside it. Okay, it is coming inside. Okay, download sources. Save entity. Entity manager persist. Entity. No, it is not a new entity. Okay, this is some implementation somewhere. Okay, it is itself an interface. Check open file persist. Check open share session contract. We go inside the function base. Method name dot hash unget criteria builder persist. Manager. Hmm. Meeting manager. Why is it is having an issue? Save the file system. So open up here. Save to file system. Saving a list. If save individually. तो मैं इसको यहाँ से हटा कर यहाँ कर दूँ. Now I am trying to save the machines individually inside this function. Why this is causing an issue, it is still not known to me. I'm trying to figure it out. Because I'm able to save life cycle tracker without any issue, but this is not working. But it still gets stuck while saving machine. It's trying to get a new connection. New connection. Why it is trying to get a new connection? Why saving why? But if I look at ORM, life cycle tracker, machine is here. This is there is no issue here. But machine is causing an issue. Save to file system, multi-part file. So I don't understand why this is trying to create a new transaction, create a connection propagation nested. I'm not even trying to save machines or anything. This is just individual machines, and those are not working. Machine files. I will just use something different later on, but for now, we'll have to try some different. Again, I think this is stuck after the here. Is Go still here and something else happens inside it? Transactional application nested. Why hibernate wants to create a new connection in sqlite API? I think I have got into some problem using SQLite with Spring Boot. I'm still not. I'm still trying to figure out why this will not work. Uh, I'll have to do a hit and trial tomorrow. I think maybe it has something to do with streams that is open. I'll just try to save a simple document. Let me try to save a simple document without downloading any file. Okay, I will do it tomorrow. I think I have been. It has been more than 1.5 hours streaming. So thanks for joining, and I will.